Hello guys, in this video I'll tell you the microcontroller 4th semester BCS402 important questions, and I'll keep the video very simple because you guys don't have time. You need not watch the entire video, just have a look of the questions. Each module in the nano 5 very important questions I've picked. I'm not telling you to study only these 5, but first try to complete these 5 questions and then you can go to the rest if you have the time. Yeah, so only this much. This is very important questions, and these are not the random questions. Okay, I have analyzed a minimum of 5 to 6 papers, I guess 5 to 6 previous papers now. And kutkondo analyze ಮಾಡಿ repeated questions I have put it here. Okay, so first complete all these questions, and then if you have time, try to revise, and then if you have even more time, then go for new topics. And that is all for the video. I won't waste your time, and please don't spend a lot of time in just watching the videos which question I have to study. Yeah, this one video is enough for you guys to understand the important questions, because I haven't put all the new questions, or I haven't put something else because these are the questions from PYQs, okay, previous year papers. So first complete this, and then if you guys want anything extra, just comment down. I'll help you out. Thank you.